Is Bradley Nardick. I am the CEO of the Bazaar Incorporated. We are a 63-year-old closeout consumer packaged goods buyer. We work with major Fortune 500 companies, major retailers. We buy their leftovers, their excess, their overstock and returns, and we resell them to independent retailers across the world. So we met Alpine in, I think, 2016. We were looking to consolidate a division of our reverse logistics processing business back into our main warehouse. So one of our problems was that we had this whole other warehouse separated from our main shipping facility where we had to process returns and then ship them to ourselves to then go ship them to our customers. So we were trying to consolidate that operation back into our main facility. I was introduced to Michael and Alpine through a friend who we had worked with in the past, and immediately they brought a team of supply chain engineers in. The first part of the process that we felt like we couldn't do on our own was understanding how many SKUs came through the building, a lot of the back-end data work on how much different inventory was actually coming through our returns processing division. After that, we had started to create some clarity with the Alpine team on how many individual spaces we would need to successfully process different inventory, different retail returns at any one time. So we had two types of returns that we had processed. One was consumer returns and the other was retail shelf pulls, and they had extremely different requirements. At the time, we were trying to sort of merge them into one process. What Alpine showed us was that there was too much SKU variability. It would require way too much space, so we separated the processes. From there, it was really about layout and what kind of each step-by-step, what each of those processes would look like. Alpine did a great job of coming in and laying out the floor plan of our building, helping us understand how much space we would need to take up. And they really took their time to understand where the product was going to go, who the end user was, so that we could package things with our customers in mind. The end result was we had successfully taken this reverse logistics operation from down the street. We had brought it back into our main facility, shrunk the footprint. We reduced the amount of labor that we needed to run that part of the business, and our throughput increased slightly with the reduced labor. So we had built a better process and eliminated our need to ship things from one building to our own. So it was a huge success.